not also. लेकिन जितनी इच्छा शिष्य को एक गुरु पाने की होती है, उतनी ही इच्छा गुरु को एक योग्य शिष्य पाने की होती है। क्योंकि हम आज गुरु पूर्णिमा के इस अवसर पर आप सबसे जुड़ रहे हैं और इसी वर्ष हम पंडित रविशंकर यानी मेरे मामा जी, जिनका हम शताब्दी वर्ष समारोह सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, अगर उनकी बात न की जाए तो ये कुछ अधूरा सा लगेगा। पंडित रविशंकर गुरु और शिष्य परंपरा के एक प्रतिबिंब थे, एक छाया, रिफ्लेक्शन, जो एक ऐसे विलक्षण शिष्य थे जिन्होंने न सिर्फ अपने गुरु, अपने देश, अपने कुल, बल्कि भारतीय शास्त्रीय संगीत को एक नई ऊंचाई पर पहुंचाया, एक नया आयाम दिया। सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, उन्होंने भारतीय शास्त्रीय संगीत को एक नई शैली दी, जिसको पूरी दुनिया में स्थापित किया। एज ए गुरु वो बहुत महान गुरु थे, जिन्होंने बहुत ही अद्भुत, बहुत ही विलक्षण और म्यूजिकल वर्ल्ड को उन्होंने बहुत सारे टैलेंटेड म्यूजिकल जेम्स दी, जो पूरी दुनिया में अपनी चमक बिखेर रहे हैं। ऐसे बहुत कम लोग जिन्होंने अपने जीवन में इतनी सारी ऊंचाइयों को छुआ हो और इतनी सारी सफलताएं हासिल की। पंडित रविशंकर ने अपने जीवन काल में बहुत सारे रागों की रचना की। उन्होंने भारतीय शास्त्रीय संगीत को नई शैली में ढाला और इतना ही नहीं, उन्होंने अपने ही जीवन काल में अपने रागों को, अपनी रचनाओं को, अपनी बंदिशों को अपने शिष्यों द्वारा तथा दूसरों द्वारा गाते बजाते भी देखा। ये हम सब को, पूरे भारतवर्ष को या पूरे संगीत जगत को गौरवान्वित करता है। पंडित रविशंकर एक विलक्षण शिष्य, एक अद्भुत शिष्य और महान गुरु थे। मैं ऐसे गुरु को कोटि कोटि प्रणाम करती हूँ और एक बार फिर आप सभी को गुरु पूर्णिमा की हार्दिक बधाई देती हूँ और पुनः इस कार्यक्रम का संचालन नवारुण जी और गौरवदा को देती हूँ। नमस्कार, हैप्पी गुरु पूर्णिमा टू ऑल ऑफ यू। प्रणाम मामी।
Over to Gauravda to begin the session now. Mahima, Mahima, start the session.
Yeah. Cinema is going to do a prayer, so let's all join Cinema. Yeah.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu,
Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve.
We are here today to talk and reminisce about our dear Guruji. What do we miss most about him? Can each one of you tell me? Gaurav, what do you miss about him? One thing.
Laughter.
Tarun?
I don't miss him because he is always with me.
Yeah, you must miss something. I miss him calling me Kono, Kono, Kono every second.
I miss the word ghoda. He used to many times he told me dur ghoda. Ghoda means the horse. So I miss that word. Nobody tells me.
Shivendra?
I think his zest for life and of course that music, the divine music.
Hello.
Sanjeev?
Hey, we are talking about our dear Guruji. Don't do all this. Okay, we love him.
Yeah,
We
definitely.
don't do any of that, huh?
Cinema, he said, Tarun uncle said, he misses the word ghoda. So at times, like he used to call me, "Arey kud, aise nahi, aisa hoga." ऐसा नहीं ऐसा.
Cool, cool, yes.
So, like, for me, for all of us, he's next to God. Even like I would say that he's
Not next
comes
to, he's God.
second. Yeah.
He's God.
Yeah. So God comes next to him actually. So we pray so much for him every day, and we don't miss him actually because there's so much of warmth that we.
मैं link भिजवाता हूँ आपको.
So there's so much warmth and love that we got from him. It's still there after so many years.
अभी मैं link
Shweta, who are you talking with?
विशु भाई, मैं लिंक भिजवाता हूँ आपको. अच्छा विशु भाई के तू लिंक पाठा.
Patiji, everything is there. Password to Patiji.
लिंक पाठाओ ना.
Patiji.
Tata phone करे दी. He's waiting. He's getting upset. Please.
Now, Sanjeev Guruji would have said, okay, short and sweet. Vicky.
Vicky.
Vikram, you're on mute. You're
Vikram.
on mute.
You're on mute.
Sorry. Okay. I think, Chinama, a lot of the, for me, a lot of the interest in and the energy of the kind of, traversing the classical music world itself has gone, because I think where he was around, I mean, it's really strange that his name was Robbie, because he was the son, and I think we missed that. We there is something a little more, I won't say pedestrian, but I'll say, we are traveling amongst some level of just above mediocrity. I mean, we're missing that kind of huge surge of power, of force, which he brought in, and with him came this sun-like energy, which so from whenever I entered the room and he was sitting there, I would get a massive kick. I would just feel, ooh, what's going to happen now? So I miss that. I try to find it personally. I try to find it elsewhere in other things, but in the classical music world, I can say this much, that has gone. So there is a huge void which is left behind, and I wish he was here, and he was, because there would be another energy or something really exciting about the world of classical music when he was around. I think it's not exciting anymore. It's just as simple as that.
Yeah, that's so.
Now, all of you have to bring that excitement back.
I don't know, Chinama, it's a very tough thing to do, because I mean, he made it exciting, and now I realize it more. I've said this to you 1 million times, that when I was playing with him, the force of that was so big that you didn't actually think objectively of as to what was going on. But now, in memory, in retrospect, when I think that what was going on was a sun, and we were in that sun, and we were in the sunlight. We were not just in the limelight with him; we were in the sunlight with him, and he was able to infest us with that energy. And I don't know how that's going to come back, because it will require a lot of organized. I don't know. Every single person has to kind of recharge, and everybody has to reconfigure their settings. Basically, it's very difficult to do that. I don't know how it's going to happen.
What do you miss, Adi? What do you miss about Guruji?
The first thing when you ask is the same thing that Gaurav said, was Guruji's laughter. Sometimes just his incredible sense of wonder at everything around him, and he was able to make everybody around him also feel that same wonder. And then echoing what Bikram was saying, he had this incredible energy. It was just like you're basking in his glow. And when you feel with him, everything seems like it's brighter. Everything seems like there's more richness to it. I miss that probably the most. And for the last few years, I've been going back over thousands of pages of notes, just going back. And even now, small things I used to just understand an inkling of before, I'm beginning to digest now. And there's just so much depth to every single phrase, every single variation on a phrase of his music. It's just what to say, Chinua. It's just, there will be never another Guruji like him.
Yeah, that's so.
Nothing else to say.
Fuller, what do you miss about Guruji?
Chinama, I think all my brothers here have said everything, you know, whatever was in my mind. But, you know, whenever I see him or whenever I think about him, even though he's an ocean of knowledge and larger than life personality, but in person, childlike innocence and attention to detail and making everyone comfortable around him is something, you know, I've never seen in another legend and legendary musicians of his generation, you know, like that's truly, truly marvelous. And truly, I think that's Guruji's one of greatest personalities, which I miss.
Sujata?
See, just the sheer fact that he is not here, the person, that's what I miss. That you go to the house, he walks, "Ki kaun acho?" You know, the sheer presence of him being there, I miss that terribly. And as some people were saying, that is like sun. There is a saying in the West, particularly in Europe, because there is no sun, right? You don't get much sun. You don't get sunlight. So it's called SAD. Yes, seasonal affecting disorder. When you don't get the sun, you get depressed actually. People get mentally very down. People get, because there is no sunlight. So there is a disorder when that kind of light and that kind of inspiration not around us, there can be a disorder in the system. I do miss tremendously the presence of him, and he's there. You know, it's like you go to the house, he's there. And I'm sure that's probably for many.
So, you're a better interviewer than me.
Dada, you're on mute. Gaurav?
Simran?
I can't see Simran.
Yeah, Simran, unfortunately her video is not working, but I think we can hear her, right?
She's having a bad day.
Come on, Simran, then. Where are you, sweetheart?
I'm here. I'll try and start my video. I definitely have a bad hair day.
Yeah,
but, you know, I did have a bath. Can you guys see me? Like Guruji always wanted to make sure that everybody had a bath. And I know many of you did not. And said that you did.
Shut up.
Yeah.
So, of course, whatever everybody said is so true. And I agree with Sujata Didi, actually. I really miss just the presence and, and like how Adi said, wonderment. I remember walking with him, he used to love going to the pharmacy, as we all know. And we had gone to a Rite Aid in New York and we were walking back. This was in 2009. And there was a performance going on in like a corner shop, which somebody had turned into a studio. And I remember we stood there for like half an hour. And he was just glued to this. An artist was creating an expression like without sound, just, with movement and facial expressions. And he was like a child, who was like just mesmerized. And we were just standing there. And for me, I mean, he just exposed me to so much. I just miss him. I also miss the fact that I didn't make the most of my time with him. And I actually felt that when I read the book. And I wrote that to Oliver, and he said that many of us have similar sentiments, that we feel that our time with him was not enough.
Yeah, that's so true. So
yeah.
Tell, the detail he went about caring for people, how he cared for people. The way Simran came to stay with us in Encinitas.
Yeah, and when I reached there and Chinama came to pick me up, of course, from the airport, like she did to all of us, ferrying us around. And when I reached there, he walked up to me with these hotel slippers, the white, the towel slippers, and he put R and L. Like he's telling me, Veda, this is for your right foot and this is for your left foot. I mean, who does that?
Yeah.
He asked me every day, have you eaten? Has this one, everybody, like Beta has this one eaten, Bikram ne khana kha liya, isne khana. If he didn't see you guys, on the table, and of course I was always in the office, he'd walk around and he'd always ask me, has this one eaten? And then when they came to stay with me in 2012, he still used to ask me, Beta, ye Karwana ne khana khaya, isne khana khaya. And I remember Chinmay used to be like, of course they will eat, but he always asked, like always. And I think you all have experienced
Be
that.
honest with Guruji, right? Guru, you're supposed to be honest with him more than anything.
Yeah.
There are somebody here who's not very honest, When somebody told me about, every day you used to ask people, have you had a bath?
Cinema, thank you.
I think many skeletons will fall, Vikram.
But Chinama, I would like to add one thing. If you remember, we were in Austin, and not Austin, it was San Francisco, and Ali Prakasa was supposed to come, and that was the last time I saw him before he died. And Guruji was very concerned about the concert because that concert was in the first row, Ali Khasa was sitting. And Guruji called me up and said like, okay, so day after tomorrow is the concert. So tell everyone that it has to be a good concert because Aluda is coming. I said, okay, I'll tell everyone. So I told everyone. And I was practicing in my room. And I totally forgot about eating. And about 4:30, 5 o'clock, he calls me up and says, Sanjeev, come to my room. So I went there and he just asked me one thing, have you eaten? So I was so afraid that I just said yes. And he gave me the look which was like the eyes was so, like I actually was shaking in my skin. And he said, just sit down here. And he was eating his peanut butter and some tea. So he gave me half of the peanut butter sandwich.
Hey, Guruji never ate peanut butter.
But that day he was actually.
No.
It was only butter. There was no peanut there. Only butter it was.
So I don't know, like I'm not sure about. So yeah, maybe cream cheese, yeah. So I had that half of the sandwich and he offered me the tea also. And I said, Guruji, I'll sit down on the floor and eat. He said like, because even Chinama, like I would never sit beside Guruji on the table. I would always prefer to be behind him. But he was so adamant, like, no, sit here. I want to see you eating. And I ate there. And that was the day also when Partho Bhai also went back to India because he had some other engagement. So it was the Festival of India 3. And I was so amazed to see and like think about it, like how can he know that I haven't eaten? But he was so particular about it that no, you have to eat. You have to eat. So Guru like him is a dream come true. And if you get a Guru like that and you don't make use of the time that he provides you, then it's a shame for the Shishya, I think.
Just one incident which comes to my mind. I'm going to ask if Shubhendra can narrate that. You remember that incident of Paddeep?
Which
that
one?
afternoon and that bandish he taught. Narrate that incident that afternoon when he woke up all of a sudden, and that bandish what he taught, that Vilambit.
Can you just help me?
You remember one afternoon we were resting in the music room?
Yeah, yeah.
And all of a sudden Guruji, I mean, before his time, he woke up and he came, and we could see the yellow of the sun outside the huge window of the music.
Absolutely.
Which later became Anushka's bedroom. And he taught that bandish in Paddeep, where he put the Dhaivat, the sum on Dhaivat.
Time Vilambit Teental. Vilambit Teental.
Because you used to speak that story so well. I would like to hear that one.
I mean, tons of stories, but like you said, this particular one for sure is always stands out in all our memories who have been a witness there. And Lodi Estate and has been a mecca for all of us, that where even today when I go in front of that house, if I just go on Lodi Road, I still feel the vibrations.
Yeah.
Because it's something so divine, it's something so spiritual that 30 years, 40 years later also, we still feel all the vibrations, each and every, wherever he was. I think every brick around him would resonate.
So true.
Every brick around him, every tree would respond. Every animal, if you remember our dog in Lodi Estate,
yeah,
everything would just resonate with music, with love.
Bobby.
With Bobby, with love and with music. So coming to that Patdeep composition. Da na da 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 na na da na da da na da na da.
So beautiful, so beautiful. It takes us back. And another story, which was Shubhendra, that Bihag. You remember? Guruji was
absolutely
Chinnama, and we were practicing Bihag, and Guruji said, no, not like that. And that just one line, Sama, Gapa, Mada, Gama. Because he said, what you're playing, Pani Pa, is more of Hem Bihag.
Hem Bihag.
That story also. That's so special.
That bandish, da na 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 da da. The original one was taught in Benares in 1977, when Deepak Da and all those people, they had the master class. They had the master class.
Shubhendra Bhai, that was the year I was born.
So bandish bhi usi saal ban gaya tha. So Gaurav, I'll just add to the Bihag, because you brought up Bihag.
Yeah.
Once we had gone to Benares for the master classes, and before all the other students and everybody came, Partho and I had reached earlier.
Which year was that?
This was 1985. This was 1985. We had reached earlier because other students were coming, I think that couple of days later. So Sham ko around 8 o'clock, 8:30, Guruji said, "Beta, chalo, let's sit for practice." So Chinnama, 3 beats of Vilambit Teental, 3 beats from Khali to 12th beat. You can ask Partho. I think he taught us just 3 beats for more than 1 hour. More than 1 hour of just 3 beats Vilambit Teental. Kyunki every time he sang something and we tried to play it, he would say, "Nay, not this, not this." And it took almost 1 hour for us to pick up that 3 beats the way he wanted it to be. And that perfection, that nothing but perfection.
He would not stop till it was achieved.
Yeah.
He would not. Vishu Bhai, welcome. Good to have you. Sorry for the
नमस्कार मेरी बहुत मुश्किल से लॉग ऑन हुआ है. I'm sorry. I was trying for 15 times and it said wrong password all the time.
Sorry
अभी
about
आवाज आ रही है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है. Chinnama is here and she is with us and we are just speaking about Guruji.
अरे मेरा बहुत बहुत चरण स्पर्श चिन्नमा को और आप सभी लोगों को बहुत ही
प्रणाम।
नमस्कार. सभी को, तरुण भाई को देख रहा हूँ, गौरव को देख रहा हूँ, शुभेंद्र को देख रहा हूँ, नावरुण जी को देख रहा हूँ, और
सुजाता दी.
हाँ जी, सुजाता जी को देख रहा हूँ, और ये अपने दयाशंकर जी के लड़के को देख रहा हूँ,
संजीव भाई.
तो विक्रम भाई को नहीं देख रहे हैं? विक्रम भाई को.
विक्रम इनविजिबल हो गया आज.
विक्रम भाई कहाँ है? विक्रम भाई कहाँ चले गए? ये रहे
दादा. नमस्कार.
आ गया. विक्रम भाई कैसे हो सकते हैं साहब? विक्रम भाई के बिना तो ये महफिल
अधूरी है.
अधूरी है. सबसे ज्यादा टाइम और सबसे ज्यादा अगर शैतानी कोई की है गुरुजी के साथ तो विक्रम जी.
हे भगवान. वेरी पॉपुलर.
तन्मय और विक्रम जी ने सबसे ज्यादा, ये दोनों ही नॉटी बॉय थे, और गुरुजी के चिन्नमा के जितने भी आंख में धूल झोंकना सकते थे वो धूल झोंक.
मतलब भाई साहब ये पोल खोल सेशन हो गया.
क्या होता है?
कहने का मतलब छोटी छोटी बातें होती हैं, वो हम लोग जानते हैं कि क्या क्या हुआ है. कभी दीवार फांदी, कभी दीवार की गेट के ऊपर से फांद के कैसे बाहर गए दोनों जने और गिर पड़े, और उसके बाद में जख्मी हो गए, और
दादा क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
और ये सब हमने देखा.
ये मत बोलिए कि क्यों जा रहे थे.
किस्सा सुना हुआ है.
क्यों जा रहे थे ये मत बोलिए बस.
जब गुरुजी को पता चलता था, जब विशु भाई, जब विक्रम का वो सब जो भी आप शैतानी बोल रहे हैं, गुरुजी को जब पता चलता था तो वो गुरुजी को बोलते थे चिन्नमा को मत बोलिएगा, और चिन्नमा अगर पकड़ते थे तो बोलते गुरुजी को मत बोलिएगा.
No, but you know, he actually didn't say some things to Chinnama. I found out when I went last time to Chinnama's place.
Guruji maintained it. Yes.
He maintained it because he knew that we would die if we got exposed.
और मैं एक इंसिडेंट और याद कर रहा हूँ.
किसका?
दादा आज बात खुल के ही हो जानी चाहिए, कोई बात नहीं. चिन्नमा के चरणों से छू के मैं आजादी ले रहा हूँ. इफ आई एम टेकिंग द लिबर्टी, चिन्नमा.
परमिशन.
Go on. Permission granted.
ओके, हम लोग बेल्जियम में थे.
Yes, I remember.
और दादा, वो कौन से दादा थे वो अपने
प्रभु सेन.
हाँ, देखिए ये विक्रम जी को याद है, प्रभु सेन जी के. हम लोग अब क्या कि रात को हमको सबको थोड़ी सी जरूरत पड़ी किसी चीज की.
याद है, एकदम से याद है.
तो अभी हमने उनका फ्रिज खोला और फ्रिज में देखा तो एक अच्छी चीज रखी हुई थी. उस अच्छी चीज को हमने निकाल के उसका अच्छे सदुपयोग कर लिया, उसका इस्तेमाल कर लिया.
दया जी और रमेश साहब भी थे, दया शंकर जी भी थे.
हाँ, हम लोग सब अच्छे मतलब थोड़ा सेवन सबने कर लिया. और दूसरे जब प्रभु सेन जी ने वो देखा फ्रिज तो बोले कि कुछ चीज गायब है यहाँ से.
दादा उसमें हम लोगों ने उसमें कुछ और डाल के रख दिया था, तो वो उनको टेस्ट अलग लगा.
गंगाजल
नहीं, वो क्या हम लोगों ने क्या उनके थोड़े से बाकी जो बोतल थी उसमें थोड़ा सा पानी मिला के मिक्स करके रख दिया, जिससे बोतल फुल लगने लग जाए दूर से देखने से.
प्रभुदा ने बोल दिए थे. गुरुजी का फोन आ गया था.
हाँ, वो पकड़ा गया था शायद हम लोगों का.
No, Dada, but you know, Chinnama, what was really interesting to remember is that every time Guruji would see something that anybody would do, first he would come with an expression of, you know, कैसे कर दिया तुमने ऐसे? I mean, how could you do something? But it was an emotional, sentimental reaction पहले वो देते थे because that was the correct thing to do. But after that, he would have curiosity. And then he would say, but how did you do this?
कैसे किया?
फिर उनका एक ही सेंटेंस होता था, जीते रहो.
Oh my God.
ये भाई साहब आपने पिछले एपिसोड में भी इस बात को बोला था, हमको याद आ रहा है। आप हमेशा इस चीज को बोलते हैं।
जी चिन्ना बोल रही थी।
Everybody should, yeah.
चिन्ना कुछ बोल रही है।
He was so quick.
Yeah.
Coincidentally, one of my friends, her husband used to have a lot of drinks. So we went to their house. They both did pranam to him. He told my friend, "Jite raho," and to the husband he said, "Pite raho."
Very good, very nice.
वाह, क्या बात है।
The sense of humor.
उनकी नेचर क्या थी?
Same thing.
कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम। अगर तुम्हारा जो भी तुम्हारा गलत शौक है उसको मुझसे छुपाओ मत, मेरे सामने करो, जो करना है मेरे सामने कर दो, पीठ पीछे से कुछ नहीं करने। That was very nice of him.
गुरु से कुछ मत छुपाओ।
हाँ, उनकी
गुरु से कुछ मत छुपाओ।
आपको पीना जाए।
नहीं, उनको उनकी
I want to say,
हाँ चिन्ना।
Nabarun and
क्या महिमा?
for doing this. Nabarun and Nisha have been doing this wonderful work of bringing different artists to come and talk about Guruji, which has been really today we are having it a little different, discussing the other side of Guruji. His greatness, everybody knows. The world knows. Anywhere you go, anybody, I mean, there is no question what he is even today. Even though, he's been away from us, 7 years, 6 months, 25 days today, but still, he's around. Anywhere you go, he's just amazing.
जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा.
But what we are here to say is the other fun side of him, the very humane side of him, the one who was down to earth, what he was, and how he behaved, like 18 doctorates, 5 Grammy Awards, including the lifetime. It meant nothing to him, literally.
Absolutely.
He said one word to me. He said, "That doesn't make me a better musician.
क्या बात?
My
क्या
heart
बात?
which will take me. No award,
क्या बात है।
That was Guruji. And a little things like when I was also younger, and maybe I didn't have as much patience as I do now. Those days, I had this 2 tailless monkeys I had to handle. Vikram Ghosh and Tanmay Bose.
Hey Bhagwan.
They're only short of tails, that's all.
Bye Vikram.
Such really.
विक्रम दा बिना पूंछ वाले मंकी हैं.
पूछो ही मत.
Hey, बोल भी ना.
विक्रम दा.
But Vikram da, so your character, so by everybody who is seeing, is that you are so important, so loving for everybody. This is true.
No, actually, see, I think, there was, for me, I'll speak for myself, not for Tanmoy and me together, but I think when I went and I was of course overawed. I was overawed, but my personality was always that of a rebel. I have been a rebel all my life, and so it was an interesting juxtaposition, because here I was completely overawed. I never ever thought in my life that I would end up playing with him for that long and imbibing all that I imbibed from him. I did not ever foresee any such situation in my life, So having that was such a huge kind of a shock to my system. But then also seeing, I think I also saw that he himself was there was a naughty boy inside him somewhere,
Yes,
and we
truly.
was, so whenever on 1 or 2 occasions when I was kind of testing the field, so to say, because I realized that I have to stay and I have to be myself also in the process, So when I was testing the field, I realized one thing, that he was generally okay with anything as long as he saw the spirit of it was fun, you know. If he saw that it was
story, Vicky, say that story, climbing up the pipe.
Yeah.
Chinama, please.
Yeah.
Chinama, what is this?
To the public.
No, but is this? I mean, is this session open to public or is just us?
Yeah. Public. Today it is open session. Today's open session.
So if Chinama has said, then I'll say. So Chinama, you're okay with it, right?
Vikram, ultimately he was the guru when you say that there was a naughty boy inside. Ultimately, he was guru in all sense, right?
Yes, he totally was. So we were in the house for months on end, you know, in the San Diego house in Encinitas, and Chinama then was running it like Hitler.
Yeah.
Indeed.
So I'll tell you what, we realized that the problem was not Guruji. The problem was actually Chinama, because Chinama is going to catch, Chinama is going to punish, Chinama was going to do it all, you know. So we were now thinking how every step, so even if Guruji caught us doing something, we would kind of, you know, Guruji touch his feet, you know, 5 times, and like Tanmay used to rub his nose on his feet. Like so we practiced that, and then he would kind of, you know, start laughing after a point, because we just go like that, like lap dogs, you know. We would rub our nose on his feet.
He's not a part today?
For some reason he's not, I guess. But anyway, I will.
That is why you are talking. That is why you are talking. That is why you are talking about.
Dada, वो तो public knowledge हो गया अभी. Yeah, Chinama, you're saying something.
Tell us about that story.
So you're serious, right? Okay. So we were staying months on end in Encinitas. It's a beautiful house atop a hill.
Yes.
And there was nothing for miles anywhere. And for Chinama, Guruji, it was fine. But I mean, in America, you cannot. There's no public transport. So every time we needed something, we have to tell Chinama, will you please drive us? So then we realized that, you know, we have to. There was a 7-Eleven next to the house.
Yes.
Next to the 7-Eleven, there was
only beer is there.
Yeah, but Dada, next to the 7-Eleven, one summer they opened a bar. Yeah, and suddenly, so we got news, because there was this Mexican lady in the 7-Eleven who we were friends with, and who told us that there's a bar coming up next door. So when it did come up, then we decided we have to get there, but we can't get there because food is served at 8:30 to 9, and by 9:30 the main gate is shut. So how do we go? So then every time Chinama would catch us doing anything that she didn't like, and that's it, you know, like if you she was like a Sherlock Holmes, you know, because she one day when Guruji told me you have to have a shower before you practice with me, I would get up late, and I realized that I couldn't adjust to the lifestyle of waking up and first thing have a shower, you know. So I bought some hair gel, and I started putting the hair gel. No, hang on. Then Chinama came and caught.
Don't listen.
Chinama came and caught. She was sniffing, and she said somebody is wearing hair gel. You know?
And I could smell. No?
Yeah, so she smelled it. So she told Guruji that he hasn't had a shower.
Okay, I'm not listening.
So Guruji said no. He told me he's had a shower. He can't be lying. So Chinama went to the bathtub and checked. It was absolutely dry. So she said that if you had a shower, there's no water there. So Guruji was like, you know, you lied. How can you lie? So that was like terrible, you know. But then we found a way to get to the place next to the 7-Eleven. We practiced one night climbing down the pipe from the first floor where we were staying, and we practiced climbing down the pipe. We saw it was okay. We can climb across the fence also. But what we didn't bargain for is that in the way back, it is doubly difficult because you know, for obvious reasons. So then we crossed the fence somehow. It was probably 1 in the night. And then I will never forget Tanmoy, because I was pushing him up the pipe and he was going up the pipe, and he was, after some point, every time he would give up. So he was scrambling down with a loud sound. It was like, and then finally he fell down. Ironically, the moment he fell, now this is Tanmoy describing it to me. He fell and he just lifted his head a little bit and he saw 2 slippers, bedroom slippers, and he realized that instant that it was Guruji. So I also saw Guruji standing there. I immediately fell on his feet. So both of us are on his feet. Now there's the only thing that is there to ask for forgiveness, you know. So he realized what had happened, because obviously he was smart and he got it all. So I remember the only thing we kept saying, don't tell Chinnamma. Don't tell Chinnamma. Guruji, don't tell Chinnamma. Don't tell Chinnamma. So I asked Chinnamma 2 years back in London. I asked Chinnamma, do you ever know this? Did he ever tell you? She said, no, he didn't tell her. So I mean, that's how, I mean, he was not just, yeah, I mean, he kept the faith, you know. I mean, so amazing. I mean, and when I look back, I think that, you know, what were Tanmoy and I doing really? I mean, we were out of our senses. And thank you for jailing us for so long, Chinnamma.
Yeah, but also, all the fish curry I made for you, mackerel with Emily, remember?
Chinnamma, we love you.
I want to say one thing.
God, we should.
I want to say one thing. Whenever I came to Encinitas at your home, I would tell everybody that she used to cook 9 sabjis.
Yes.
2 dals, pulao, paratha, roti, chawal, dahi, raita. Means like it was like chhappan bhog to me, which I had when I stayed. And you know what? Now I will share something which she doesn't know.
What is it, Vishwa?
Non-veg.
I'm a vegetarian.
Yeah.
But when I was coming to USA, I bought duty-free shop. I went there. And I bought one Johnny Walker Black Label with me, because I knew if I am there in Encinitas, I will not be able to get a drop of whiskey anywhere in the neighborhood or wonderful. So I kept it in my suitcase secretly, and then I came to that room in there. I stayed there, and Chinnamma told me 9 o'clock, come for dinner. Come for dinner. 8:30, come for dinner. Okay, sir. So I started my drinking at 7 o'clock, and by that time 8:30 it came. I was fully ready.
See, now I know next time what to do.
But
And
you know, please, Ala, go ahead.
Yeah, that's all. You can carry on now.
No, I want to say this, that Chinnamma, you know, we all discussed this behind your back, that you have really adjusted and changed your whole persona today, and it's so wonderful how you've done that. You know,
see,
I mean,
see the openness in her nature.
Unbelievable.
She's blessing us. She has pardoned all our mistakes, all our shortcomings, and she has come out as just a guard, a shelter. We feel that we are at a shelter all the time.
Yeah, I mean, Guruji is not there, but she is there, and she is always there for us. Yeah,
she is the representative of Guruji, and I would not hesitate to say this very boldly, that she was the one who took care of Guruji the way it should have been by anybody in this world. I tell you, she was there for 24 hours.
Even now she is there.
Even
Not
now.
just then.
No.
Even now.
it seems that he has not gone.
Not at all.
He is still there, and she's still, doing all the things for him. When he was on oxygen, I saw how she carried the oxygen with him in wheelchair. The last meeting was in Delhi. Rikhiram, that the program was there. Sanjay Rikhiram organized some program, and Guruji very graciously, he was there, he was present. That was on wheelchair, and Chinnamma was all the time monitoring.
We lost his.
With all this oxygen cylinder and everything. And in 95 Lodi Estate I saw, in Encinitas I saw, in London I saw, that she would not leave him for a single minute alone. She was like a shadow to him. That is something, I mean, I admire her like a woman on this earth with a wonderful heart, wonderful dedication, wonderful sincerity, and the faithfulness. Everything, I mean, there is there's so many words are there: disciplined, faithfulness, sincerity, caring. It is only one word, that is Chinnamma. I'm not exaggerating thing. I'm telling you the truth. अगर चिन्नमा नहीं होती तो गुरुजी इतना नहीं कर पाते जितना उन्होंने करके दिखाया. और now the show is on. Now she has done a great job for Anushka. I would not hesitate to say कि अगर चिन्नमा नहीं होती तो अनुष्का नहीं होती इतनी. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, कहाँ से कहाँ उसको बनाने में कितना बड़ा हाथ है. She has played a great role in her life, that she made her a star, the most desirable Indian classical musician on this earth. Now Anushka is there. Sorry.
शिव भाई आप बहुत इमोशनल कर देते हैं शो में. लास्ट शो में भी आपने रुला दिया था सबको.
जी जी जी.
I think yeah, this is very emotional. তরুণদা কিছু বলো না, আমরা একটু
once I was visiting San Diego House. Myself and Sanchita, we went to San Diego House, and they offered there. We were offered the piyaji, the onion pakora, piyaji. So Guruji asked me, Tarun, in Bengali, he told me, what are you eating? Ki khacho tumi? So I said, piyaji. So uni bollen je eta khao kintu koro na jano. And when I met him first in Delhi at Daryaganj HMB studio, I was recording, and then he came for a short editing for Asiad. So that was the first time I met him. So all on a sudden, I touched his feet and I started talking to him in Hindi. So he said, "Darao." Wait.
Kenji is here.
Bangla.
Namaskar.
Huh?
Kenji. কেমন আছো কেনজি?
He's connected.
हाँ তরুণদা বলো.
So he said, দাঁড়াও, তুমি তো বাঙালি, you are Bengali, তুমি আমার সঙ্গে হিন্দিতে কেন কথা বলছো? তারপরে there are so many incidents, this myself and Panditji Biswaman Bhattji and Pandit Dayasankarji were traveling together, and Guruji was there.
Don't say me Pandit, please. Don't say me Pandit, not at all. Pandit is only one person in this world.
Yes, that is true. True. And we were drinking the Dayaji, and Dayaji was drinking. Guruji came on.
You don't drink, I know. You don't drink, I know.
I was not drinking, but Dayaji was a little bit, and then Guruji told, "Arey Daya jeete raho." All of a sudden he came,
Moscow to London.
then Dayaji told me, please go to Guruji and ask on behalf of, please बोलिए कि मैं पहली बार ऐसा कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा करके. ऐसा बहुत सारा कहानी है.
अच्छा, मैं हाँ जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच. मैं छोटी सी एक कहानी और सुनाना चाहता हूँ, if you permit me. Chinnamma.
Yeah, please talk in English though.
Yeah, talk in English.
Okay. The thing, Guruji was one person who took so many musicians abroad for the first time in their life.
That is true.
It may be L. Subramaniam ji, it may be Hari Prasad ji, it may be Shiv Kumar ji, it may be Satyadev Pawar, it may be Anant Lal ji, it may be Vinay Bharatram ji, it may be whoever he took in the beginning. For the first time, they saw what is the world. And then the second lot came, in which I was there, Tarun Bhai was there, Daya Shankar ji was there. And first in 85, he took us with Ishwar Lalji Mishra
Yes.
on tabla from Varanasi, if you remember Tarun Bhai.
Yes,
I
yes,
remember
yes.
very well, Vishwa.
Huh?
I
Sorry?
remember very well.
Chinnamma remembers. Chinnamma remembers.
Oh, he took us to 5 countries. Number 1, USA. Number
And
2,
Chinamma called us in Crawley.
then France, Germany, and UK. And in Los Angeles, there was a show for Indo-Japanese artist collaboration. That was
Yes.
a big festival happened. Anyway, so for the first time, we 4, Daya Shankar ji, me, Tarun Bhai, and Ishwar Lalji Mishra, and Guruji was also there. We arrived at the same time with the same aircraft in Los Angeles.
Yes.
And there was some Eric Lawton.
Yes, Eric Lawton, lawyer.
In his home, we were supposed to stay. So
Santa Monica.
Santa Monica, you remember. He sent 2 cars. In one car, Guruji and me and some people were there. And another car, Ishwar Lalji Mishra and some other artists went. So they reached earlier. Ishwar Lalji Mishra, Daya Shankar ji, and Tarun Bhai, they reached earlier than us. We were little late, like 5-6 minutes or 10 minutes late.
Yes.
So now I will come to the point. We reached now, and they already reached there. Now they were standing outside, Daya Shankar ji, Tarun Bhai, and Ishwar Lalji Mishra. So Guruji and me, we went there, and we saw a cat there. And then Guruji said, "Oh, इसके पास तो बिल्ली है." Guruji said, "Oh, Eric has a cat." So Ishwar Lalji Mishra said, "No, she's not a female. ये बिलाव है, ये मेल है." तो गुरुजी ने क्या कहा? गुरुजी said, "Oh, यहाँ आते ही तुमने ये सब देखना शुरू कर दिया." You have started seeing all this. What is the gender? You have started seeing this. अभी 5 मिनट हुए तुमको नहीं हुए, and even in 5 minutes you have started seeing all this.
Genji, welcome Genji.
Genji-san, good to see you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Chinnamma, I have something to ask.
Yes.
See, I think, we, all of us who are his Shagids, we think there should be a plan for us all. How can we specifically in a planned way carry on the legacy? How can we make of course, the archiving and all, you've done enough of that, but I'm saying how to carry his legacy forward. Give us a plan, a roadmap. If you can make that roadmap and give it to each one of us specifically, that this is a roadmap you can follow, because what I feel personally is that, there is a, like Sujata Di also said, in his absence, there is a chaos. Most people don't see a roadmap. They are amidst social media, amidst live shows, and now coronavirus, this and all of that. People are, the artists are not, they're not focused on what is the roadmap up ahead. And if his vision, and he had a systems view, So if that vision can be given to us in an organized manner, and each one of us is told that you with your particular instrument can follow this roadmap in this way, then I think, we can really keep his legacy alive. And I mean, that's the most important thing, isn't it?
Vikram,
what more can we do?
Vikramda, you have really raised a wonderful question, and I support you that there should be some platform for us.
Ha, Dada.
Yes, you're all doing great. I'm so happy already. Each one of you you're flying Guruji's flag, going places and performing, which I'm so happy. It makes me feel so full to see that. But I understand what you mean. We need to do more, and I'm trying my best. I will work on that, and let's see. How we can go forward.
Like I thought Sandhya Rag was a great thing to do, I mean, that really was, it encapsulated, even in a lockdown scenario, it encapsulated the kind of brilliant composition that he had, and that did make a difference. You saw, right after that video, everybody was making videos like that, So that kind of work, if we can do more, I mean, ragas, talas.
Yeah. Yeah, we should, and we should all work towards that, like with this pandemic happening at the moment, we all don't know where music or anything is going to happen, because like now, Anushka is going to perform at Royal Albert Hall without an audience, and it's going to live broadcast. So maybe think about that, how we can, Vishwa.
Yeah. Tell me, please tell me.
So we have to think about creating a platform, because to this day, his name does go a long way, this day. Because when I came to this new street to stay, and they found out that each one of the neighbors, have come forward saying what great fans they were of Guruji and how they can help me. I mean, thanks to him that I am being taken care of so well in this world. I'm nothing, just on his feet.
No. You are the one. You are the one who really made Guruji what he was for last so many years. And I would one my humble suggestion, which I mean, you can just cross it. My idea is that you have a label, music label.
Yes.
Chinnamma.
Yeah.
In his name.
East meets West music.
That's the label they have.
Yes, that. So my humble suggestion is, each one of us should play something in his memory as a tribute to him, and that can be released by this label of yours. This is my humble suggestion.
Now, Vishwa, of course, it's not a problem. I did one for Vikram already. We did Maya.
I know. I also played in one composition or two compositions in that.
Yes, Dada, you were then on Maya. Two tracks.
Two tracks I played.
Me too.
Yeah,
all the
Me too.
are just closing down, really.
Yeah.
Because nobody is making money. No, it's
no, it's not question of any money. Yes, I know. It's just for paying respect to Guruji.
Tribute to him.
Tribute to him.
No, I think I know. Chinnamma has a technical point here, Dada. There are costs involved. So, Chinnamma, we'd like to say that the cost bearing is all ours. I mean, we need to get this done, and whatever it takes, we need to do. We need to raise the funds. We'll do it. We'll do the raise.
We will provide the recording only. You have to release it and make it global on your level, so it can reach to the Grammy level also.
Yeah, most of my recordings have reached Grammy level. Yeah, right.
Great. That's what we need today. So what my humble suggestion is that, like Anushka did, that wonderful piece, and it was like liked by and loved by thousands of people. That the video was there where we played the Sandhya Rag and all. That kind of thing we can make it. Vikram Da can. Chennamma, tell me, sorry.
That one we should do something like that, and I think Anushka also would like to do things that she's planning as well.
What I can do, that we can plan, me and Vikramji and Anushka, we can plan something, make a track out of it, and then send it to various people. With first the audio will be there, and then with the video they will act and the record. So that will be the something which we can put on your label for tribute to Guruji only. The spirit will be tribute to Guruji only. Your thought?
We will. It's a good idea. We will look
Ji.
into it, definitely.
Yeah, next, please, next, whatever next. Yeah, tell me.
Okay.
What Vikram was speaking there had a larger plan. I mean, that was quite that to have some sort of a roadmap for way forward, basically, which will all of course include a recording or two or whatever. But I think basically what Vikram is saying, to have a clear guidance basically on which direction to go and where to go and how to go. Basically, is that right, Vikram?
Yeah.
Yes, I think yes, Chinma.
I don't want to talk too much here because my
Yeah,
idea will be stolen and somebody else will do it. We are on
Correct. Very good. Very good.
Very good.
I think we have spoken. I think most of us. Adi, your voice wasn't heard much. I would definitely want you to add something here.
Yeah, and we'd also, I mean, if she's around, we'd also like to hear Anushka.
Yeah, Anushka, and also Kenji-san, we need you to speak something.
Yes,
You have so many stories of Guruji.
Yes, please go ahead.
Kenji was very, very dear to Guruji. Guruji really loved Kenji. And you have to give us some nice story what you have, Kenji.
Yes.
Not our stories anymore, Kenji. Guruji's stories.
Stories. Okay. So I don't know. For the tribute concert, is how to get the attention for that. I mean, the music's going to be great, but like how to get the attention? Need to get the attention for that.
Well,
hello.
I think
something really interesting things.
I think attention will really not be a problem, because there's Guruji's his own radiance which is there, which is still very, very prevalent. Chinama is there, Anushka is there, all of us are there. So I think we can do that. I think the main thing is the roadmap as to what we want to achieve. What is it that we need to achieve? So there are the ragas, there are the talas, and also there is the philosophy that he had. You see, look, he was an umbrella of sorts. He brought people together. He was somebody who was able to bring so many people together. Now you don't see that anymore. I mean, everybody's living in their own pocket right now. Everybody has their individual little tiny island which they're living on. So here was somebody who actually was able to do that. So if that can continue, at least amongst the students, all of us, if we can at least carry that forward, that we do joint projects together, we do things together, we create something that is him, because we knew him and we imbibed so much from him. We could do that.
Okay. Yeah, I just got the idea like that.
Here, just a small thing related to what you're saying, Bikram. Nabarun, and we have been talking, and Nabarun is launching a music magazine, which I think is quite required right now, to put all your thoughts and views, which will come out regularly. He's starting an education program for children, which was so dear to Guruji. And also he is planning basically concerts for musicians who are young, who really are talented and good and don't get a platform otherwise. Because, you know, and what you just said, Guruji's name is just sheer brilliance, you know, that gets the attention that people would want to know what it is. So Nabarun is really planning quite a lot of things. So I think all of us, if we give a helping hand to him and support him in what he is doing, I think we will be able to achieve a little of what you're trying to, you know.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Let me take it from there with Chinnamma's guidance, and she's of course on top of things, and she's always giving.
Who's sitting next to you, Nandita or Alankrita?
Yes, not Nandita.
Hey.
Alankrita is studying. She has exam in just 2 weeks.
Oh, that's a compliment to Nandita. Yeah.
Shubhendra is also doing something, you know, with Saskia, I think.
The education program, they're
also doing, which is great, you know. We need more, really, because
absolutely,
as you know, from sitting in the parliament, I've got notes from him saying everything, you know, it has to start early from day one, start from home, children, education, schools, they all have to start. It's Guruji's, you know, thing always. What was it?
Very true. I think that's very important, Chinnamma. Very important, and also the activities at the center here and the teaching here and everything is so very important.
That we really need to make the center more active, you know. I mean, I can do whatever I can. I've done, and you know.
You're doing it, Chinnamma. You're doing it. You've done it. You're doing it.
You know, as Guruji's children, I think you all have to go for.
We are there. We are there for anything what you ask for. Yes, Chinnamma.
I think it would be nice to Adi little bit. Adi, you have to give us a little story, because your father, your mother, you, brother Sangeeta, you have been really associated with Guruji and Abbaji for such a long time. You must have such wonderful stories and associations.
Yes, Adi, come on.
You know, it's first of all, for everybody who I didn't say namaste to, Vishwabhai, aapko bhi namaskar to everybody. It's just such a wonderful thing to see everybody here together. And I've been just imagining, you know, throughout this pandemic, so many things come back to us. And I've spoken to Shubhendra and Gaurav quite regularly, and we often reminisce about so many different stories, instances when we were staying in Lodi Estate. I mean, when we were, you know, each of us had our own association with Guruji before, what we had learned from him. And I remember, like, before I started learning Sarod, I played tabla. I learned tabla from my father and from Zakir uncle. But Guruji and Dadaji, meaning Ustad Araka, used to come to our house every year and spend some time. So I was just a little kid learning how to play tabla. And my father, when he would go to work, Guruji would want somebody to play tabla with him, to just keep teka for him. So at the young age of 11 or 12 years old, I used to keep teka for Guruji while he would be staying at our place. And then when I came to India to learn from Guruji, it was like I was surrounded by, you know, senior Guru Bhais, Vishnu Bhai, you know, Deyaji and Tarunda and everybody else. And it was just such an incredible ambiance that Guruji had created. And, you know, when we went to Banaras and spending time in Banaras each year or every other year, whenever Guruji would go there, it was just like a magical place. It was just incredible richness of music. And, you know, sometimes I find that in this day and age where we're all connected, you know, vicariously through the internet, and we don't necessarily see each other face to face, there are these moments and these experiences we've had where Guruji, despite modern technology at that time, was able to create an ambiance, a Gurukul, where everybody would have this total immersion in music. Right. And I think it's just incredible how that was done. And, you know, long after Guruji's has left us on this earth, we've all still been bound and connected through music and through Guruji's connections and through Guruji's association, that he's created these bonds and these ties between all of us. And Vikram, you had like a really relevant point, I think, is that, you know, everybody is doing their own, making their own efforts to continue with the lessons that Guruji's taught us and continue his music. Chinnama, I know you've done so much, but
Yes.
just to echo what Vikram was saying also, I think, is that if there's a bit of a cohesive sort of effort from everybody to do something together, either like something like, the Sandhya Rag, which is done recently, but even, the concerts which is supposed to happen for Guruji's anniversary year, his centenary year. I really do hope that we'll get a chance to do this, if not this year, then next year once
That
things
point,
start.
Adi, on that
Yes,
particular point, I will talk once we go off there.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
We don't talk online. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Now let us.
Yeah, that's fine.
Let's have now in the end. I want Chinnama to give us your. Let's Chinnama sum up this meeting. And
Sorry to interrupt, Gauravda.
Yeah.
I want that Maima should just introduce the website today.
Yeah, let's do that. Varun, finish all your things you want to do, and then let Chinnama speak the last words. We
Yeah.
want to finish it with that, and we don't want to talk after that. So just finish your whatever plans you are going to unfold.
Maima, with your permission, we need that you just inaugurate that website, which is going to be launched today, musicforumravishankar.com, which I have sent the link to Sukti. So we want that you just inaugurate.
Pre-launch?
Yeah, it will be there shown. Shukti has arranged all the things.
Yeah. We are starting the website today, and also the music magazine is going to come out very soon, and the program for children and the concerts for
we are
young
doing.
musicians.
We are planning one magazine by the name of Pandit Ravi Shankar, Musicorum, and that the name will be Musical Soul of India. That will be coming quarterly in India. It will be published. So I request all the disciples, of course, Maima is there, to give the information regarding Mama, because the first magazine which we are going to launch within a month or two in the centenary year, I want all the informations and some of the articles, you disciples, from all the disciples of Mama first. And this magazine will be really interesting, because if you see in India, musical magazine related to music news is very less or nothing. I talked to Vishwa, if you know, I talked to yesterday Mukesh Garg, by sir.
Mukesh Garg is a very fine person in publishing.
Yeah,
And
so
Sangeet
he told that it is in Hindi. We should launch in English and bilingual language. Now this is the website.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, wow. Ah. Ah.
Wow.
Very good.
Wonderful.
Wow, 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 wow.
This is
Yeah,
the just
wow.
starting
Wow,
video.
wow, wow.
Beautiful.
Actually, Shukti has done little bit mistake. It was starting with a
Say it again,
with a
please.
cut.
Please say it again once more. Shukti
Yeah.
has made a mistake.
Shukti. Parmeshwari. Parmeshwari.
Has made a mistake.
Hi, Shukti.
Shukti made
He
Shukti.
Anyhow, and Dada, it is that it will open a curtain there with Mama's photo first. Then they will click a start button there. Then you will see the video. Then there are
Okay.
many things which have to be updated because we have just created this website within 3 hours. Because we decided yesterday night to launch a website from musicorumravishankar.com. Especially now,
In the last
talking about this
few hours, it was planned and it was, we thought it would be auspicious because of Guru Purnima. So now, I think Nabarun, let's have Chinnamma speak and we
Wind up.
Okay,
Chinnamma,
Maima.
what his greatest contribution is that we are all here together.
Yeah.
It's
Yes.
It's his love, his infectious love, is what is binding us all together.
Yes.
Right? And if
Yeah.
we remember that, and throw away any differences we may have, any ego we may have, because together we will win the world. We will take this Ravi Shankar Gharana.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you, Chinnamma.
Yeah?
Absolutely, Chinnamma.
Wow, wow, wow. Very good.
हिंदी में कहते हैं संगठन में शक्ति है, संगठन में शक्ति है दादा.
बिल्कुल
तो
सही
हम लोग
कहा.
को संगठन को बनाना है, मामा के संगठन को बनाना है, पूरे भारतवर्ष में भी इसको बहुत हर जगह फैलाना है. देखिए, you people just now Vikram Da said before the end of the session, Vikram Da told that to do something, a pathway and road, something like that. But especially what I felt, there is a vacuum in small cities like Varanasi where Mama started there. See, I have visited many places. I have visited Cuttack, Odisha, Assam, everywhere. I want that all the disciples should come collectively and perform in a platform once in a year in all the states, in India especially, because we should
not just perform, also teach, which is very important.
teach
Very
them.
important. Teaching
Yeah.
is important.
Knowledge.
More important than performing.
Yeah.
Other thing one we all have to remember, till the end, the 40 years I knew him, he always strived to improve. Always better than yesterday, worse than tomorrow.
Wow.
Started
Best
with
is
me
yet to
from
come.
home every day in my life. Every
Wow.
day in my life with him, he told me, Konu, I love you more than yesterday, but less than tomorrow.
With these words, I think we just finish here. I think Nabarun, let's not speak anything after this.
Yeah.
This is ultimate. I tell you, this is the ultimate thing what she narrated just now about Guruji. And we all are now bound to do everything possible what we can do for our beloved Guruji, to pay respect to the greatest musician on the earth. And I am there for anything, Vikramji or whoever.
Thank you.
All of you will be there for me.
Everybody.
Always.
Gaurav, to finish the session, the viewers or I personally also want that everybody should sing a little 2-3 lines of Mama's composition, a song.
Wow.
Just one. I think Shubhendra sang Pardeep. We done that. I think
Yes.
yeah. It's Shubhendra.
No,
lamba ho jayega.
I think Nabarjun ji is right. We should sing one line at least. One line at least for.
One line.
He's right.
Start, Vishubhai.
Start. You start, Gaurav.
Now with you we start, Vishubhai.
लो मेरे पे आई.
चलिए मैं करता हूँ.
हाँ, first you, then I will come.
When Guruji's thing was just playing. Nandita just reminded when the Parmeshwari was going on, this beautiful composition of Guruji.
Yeah.
Mateshwari, Parameshwari, Araj suno aburi. Mateshwari, Parameshwari, Araj suno aburi. हम तो मूर्ख संतान हम तो मूर्ख संतान पैया पढ़ूं बिनती मातेश्वरी परमेश्वरी अरज सुनो अब मोरी
मातेश्वरी. बहुत अच्छा. Very good.
Vikram.
तुम लोग गाओ. मैं तो गा नहीं पाता ना. I'll do a small
that
matra thing.
Hey Gaurav, let's go off air and then can we stay on?
Yes, I will. Everybody
stay on. Are we off air?
So Chinnamma, say something and let's wind it up nicely. Why don't you say something and then we?
Yeah.
Because audience is watching, it would be nice to say something and we finish then. And then
No. Vikram there wants something to narrate. Let him do. Then we will wind up.
नहीं narrate मतलब कुछ नहीं दादा. ये बोल रहे तो कोई कुछ. No.
Thank everybody.
अरे कुछ तो बोलिए. अरे तकट देने जाती था. गुरुजी की तिहाइयां कितनी अनलिमिटेड होती थी. क्या इमेजिनेशन होती थी. अरे बाप रे. अरे क्या वो सिखा के गए हैं. hundreds of तिहाई हम लोगों के दिमाग में. हाँ बोलिए.
फिर दादा ने आदेश दिया तो I see one thing Guruji used to do very often. He used to say do something which used to be कोई भी जाति लेके जैसे खंड जाति लिए. He used to play taga, and then he would transpose in 4, which he used to do often, and I remember many sessions of doing that. So मैं ऐसा एक चीज करता हूँ और उसमें एक पढ़ंत करता हूँ, एक चक्रधार.
Come on.
जो तो खंड में ऐसे जा रहा है. And if we go in 4s, it goes. Taka demi. Now the composition.
वाह क्या बात, क्या 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 जाति है, क्या क्या लय है, क्या जाति है, क्या सोच है, कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच सकते हैं। मैं कहता हूँ ये वेस्टर्नर्स जो होते हैं ना, वो हतप्रभ हो जाते हैं कि ये है क्या, व्हाट इज दिस, हाउ कैन इट डू इट।
Okay, Dada, now we should
everybody
come this session and yeah.
Chitama, Pranam, thank you and thank you.
We are coming back once again in Zoom after this live show. We are coming once again with Zoom, connecting with Maima.
Just private, just all of us.
Yeah. So once again,
is that a new
thanks
link
to the viewer
or
of Pandit Ravi Shankar Music Foundation for watching us special Guru Purnima episode. Now, the announcement which we are going to do from the foundation is that we are going to give platform to the young artists and young maestros very soon on our page. So be ready, send your videos, 2 minutes videos to our next page, that is Musicorum Next Gen. And don't ask for any post in the Ravi Shankar Foundation main page because it is only committed for Pandit Ji. So if anybody wants to perform on our platform, you are most welcome. You can give your videos to Musicorum Next Gen page. Now coming out, we are coming to do with a very musical magazine, name is Musicorum, Musical Soul of India. Now everybody is invited to send articles regarding music, and what we are planning that on the very first edition, it will be a special edition for Pandit Ravi Shankar's 100 years. So all peoples all over India, either of the musicians, besides the disciples of Pandit Ji, everybody's article is invited regarding Pandit Ji, so that we can publish and the people should see about Pandit Ji, everything. So every articles are invited. Third is that Musicorum Ravishankar.com website is launched today by Maima, that is Mrs. Sukanya Shankar. You can chat with us, and any queries regarding that, you can send it to our website. So once again, good night to everybody. Have us and happy Guru Purnima to all the peoples. Namaskar.
Pranam Chinama.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Maima.
Thank you.
Pranam.
So should we leave?
Yes, are we there?
No, it's still live on Facebook. They haven't shut the live.
What do you?
It's live on Facebook.
ये गौरव जो है ना, गौरव जल्दी खत्म करना चाहता है ये.
नहीं, we are still live, Vishu bhai.
We are still live. We have to shut it. Whoever switched it on.
Let's switch off and then have fun.
Nabarun?
I don't think Nabarun is there.
हाय रे वो दिन क्यों ना आए.
Nabarun is not there, and this is still live on Facebook.
हाय रे वो दिन क्यों ना आए, जब